CBSE class 10 question number 3. In the given figure PQ, here is PQ parallel BA. This PQ parallel BA. Given PR, here is PR parallel CA. That is PR parallel CA. Given if PD is equal to given here 12 centimeter. This is your 12 centimeter. PD is equal to 12 centimeter given. Okay. Find BD. Here is BD into CD. So let us prove it. Very important question. This question has come from CBSE in the year 2012. So let us prove it. Let us find it. What is the value of BD into CD? So this is the suppose answer. Let us find the answer. So now we take two triangles BRD and BRD and triangle PQD. That is DQP and DRD. Here angle D is common for both the triangles, and therefore angle D is equal to common for both triangles. D is common for both triangles, and since B are parallel PQ, B are parallel PQ, therefore this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angle, this parallel this, and RD the transversal, therefore angle R is equal to angle Q. Therefore two triangles BRD similar triangle PQD. So two triangles are similar. DRB and DQP are similar. Since this is a common angle D and angle Q is equal to R, since AB parallel QP and RD is the transversal. Okay. Now we take, therefore we can write, since two triangles are similar, therefore PD by DB is equal to DQ or QD or DQ by DR. Suppose this is equation 1. Now take another two triangles in triangle PRD or DPR and triangle DQC into triangles, these triangles and these triangles. Here also B is the common angle for both triangles, triangle PDR and DQC. D is the common angle for PDR or DPR and DQC. D is the common, and again since QC, this QC parallel RP, since QC parallel RP. Therefore, QC parallel RC. Therefore, we can tell angle, this angle is equal to this angle, because they are corresponding angle which parallel this angle must be this. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2, corresponding angle. So in two angles DQC and DRP, D is common, angle 1 is equal to 2, therefore two angles are similar. Angle DRP similar, DRP similar DQC, angle DQC. Therefore, we can tell that ratio of this side will be same, that is DQ by QR. DQ by QR is equal to DC by PD. Suppose this is equal to 2. In two equation, here PD by BD, here is equal to DQ by QR. DQ और QD same, और QR DQ by DQ by DQ by QR. This is DQ by DR, DQ by DR, same here. And okay, since DQ by DR, DQ by DR is equal to DC by PD. Okay, so here it will be DR, there is a mistake. So DQ by DR, DQ QD same, DQ by DQ are same. Right hand side here, left hand side is equal for the two equation. Therefore, left hand side here, right hand side must be equal. Therefore, PD by DB is equal to DC by PD, or DB into DC is equal to PD square. Here PD means 12, value of PD is equal to 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters square is equal to 144 centimeters square. Here DB BD same, CD DC same. This is equal to this. So this is your answer. So very important question for you. So next question.